Question 3. If alpha and beta are the roots of this quadratic equation, form equations with the new following roots. So these are our new roots. Okay. So first we divide this by 2. We separate it as old. And then we do new. Okay, let's look at the old first. So the old equation is 2x squared plus 6x minus 7 equals to 0. These roots are alpha and beta, right? So we can find the old SOR and the old POR. So the old SOR will be alpha plus beta. Old POR will be alpha beta. Okay. So sum of roots, the formula is negative b over a. Product of roots is c over a. So we sub in the values. This is a, b, and c. So we want negative b over a. So negative 6 over 2. Negative 3. And then product of roots is c over a. Negative 7 over 2. Done. So this is our alpha plus beta and our alpha beta. We put this in a box. We will need this. We'll be using this in a bit. Okay, so now let's look at our new roots. So these are our roots. Let's find the new sum of roots first. So sum of roots will be 1 over 2 alpha plus 1 plus 1 over 2 beta plus 1. So the denominator is not the same. What we can do is we can make it same. So we cross multiply lah. This side we times 2 alpha plus 1, 2 alpha plus 1. And this side we times 2 beta plus 1, 2 beta plus 1. Okay. So we're going to get 2 beta plus 1 plus 2 alpha plus 1 over 2 alpha plus 1 times 2 beta plus 1. We can expand and simplify. So the top will become 2 alpha plus 2 beta plus 2 over, down here we can expand. So this will become 4 alpha beta plus 2 alpha. Then this one will become 2 beta plus 1. Okay. Now we simplify it further. 2 alpha plus beta plus 2. The top one we factorize lah. Down here we can factorize this part as well. So 2 alpha plus beta plus 4 alpha beta plus 1. Okay. Now let's erase this first. Okay, let's look at what we can do from here. So don't do the common mistakes where you cut these two, cannot. Okay, because these are all related by plus. So you cannot go and cut these two, cannot. Okay, if it's times then can. Right, so now we just have to sub lah. The alpha plus beta we have. This one also we have, is alpha plus beta. And alpha beta also we have. So we can find our new SOR. Alpha beta plus 1. All right. This one you can just type in your calculator straight. Put a fraction here. So 2 times negative 3 plus 2. Bottom here will be 2 times negative 3 plus 4 times negative 7 over 2 plus 1. We get 4 over 19. Okay, so this will be our new sum of roots, 4 over 19. Okay. I delete this to make space for POR. Okay. next we find product of roots, POR. This one done. Okay. So product of roots will be the product of these two lah. So it will be 1 over 2 alpha plus 1 times 1 over 2 beta plus 1. So 1 times 1 is 1. Then bottom here we'll get 2 alpha plus 1 times 2 beta plus 1. Actually we already expanded this just now, but it's okay lah, we expand again. Right, so 2 alpha times 2 beta will give us 4 alpha beta plus 2 alpha plus 2 beta plus 1. So this can be factorized into 4 alpha beta plus 2 alpha plus beta plus 1. Okay, then we sub in the values. So we know alpha beta is negative 7 over 2, alpha plus beta is negative 3. So you just sub lah. So alpha beta is negative 7 over 2, alpha plus beta is negative 3 plus 1. We delete all these first. Okay. So you just put in a calculator. 1 over 4 times negative 7 over 2 plus 2 times negative 3 plus 1. We get negative 1 over 19. Okay. So now we have our new sum of roots and our new product of roots. So we can find our new equation. Okay. The new equation will be, this is the general form, x square minus SORx plus POR equals to 0. This is the general form, aka like the formula lah. Okay. So x square, we put in our SOR. This is our new SOR. 4 over 19x plus product of root. This is our POR. Negative 1 over 19 equals to 0. Then this whole thing, we usually don't want fractions. So to get rid of 19, we multiply by 19. So we get 19x square minus 4x minus 1 equals to 0. This will be our final answer. Done. This is question A. Okay, let's look at question B. So the old roots stays the same lah. The old SOR and POR stays the same. Right, let's look at B. So our new sum of roots. This will be 5 alpha over beta plus 5 beta over alpha. So to make the denominator same, we multiply each other. So this one will times beta times beta. This one times alpha times alpha. So get 5 alpha square plus 5 beta square divided by alpha beta. We simplify this. Alpha square plus beta square over alpha beta. So when you have alpha square plus beta square, this one is quite a common question. Alpha square plus beta square will be alpha plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta. Because alpha plus beta square, I write here lah. Alpha plus beta square will give us alpha square plus 2 alpha beta plus beta square. So we have to minus off the 2 alpha beta so that we will only get alpha square plus beta square. Okay, so alpha square, alpha plus beta square. This one must minus the 2 alpha beta. then only we can delete this and this. So we get alpha plus beta lah. Okay, this one I've explained in one of the previous videos, previous examples. I'll link that in the description. Right. So here, we haven't continued our fraction yet. So this whole thing is over alpha beta. So once we reach here, we just have to substitute lah. Okay, let's erase this one first to make space. This one, erase. Okay. Alpha plus beta is this one, -3, so -3 square. Alpha beta is this, so -7/2 divided by alpha beta again, this one, -7/2. So you can put this in our calculator. 5 times -3 square minus 2 times -7/2. This whole thing divided by -7/2. We get -160/7. Okay, so this is our sum of, wait, I forgot to put the bracket up here lah. Alamak. Okay, it's 5 bracket. In the end, we have to put a bracket to close it. Oh, it's still 80. Okay, so perfect. Correct. The answer is correct. Right. Let's look at POR next. So this is our SOR. We find our product of roots. Okay, so product of roots will be this times this. So 5 alpha over beta multiplied by 5 beta over alpha. This will give us 25 alpha beta over alpha beta. Now this one we can cut. So we'll just be left with 25. This was much simpler. Alright, so product of roots will be 25. So now we can find our new equation. This is the general form. We just have to put it inside this form. So x squared minus sum of roots plus product of roots. Then we want to get rid of the fraction, so we times the whole thing by 7. So 7x squared minus plus 160x plus 25 times 7, 175. That's it, this is the answer. Okay, so whenever you have fractions, we try to get rid of the fraction, so you multiply with the denominator. Okay, but don't forget 7 you must times every term, then only you can get this. Done. Let's look at question C. Last one. So again, we find the new sum of roots. The sum of roots will be alpha plus 3 beta plus 3 alpha plus beta. So this will give us 4 alpha plus 4 beta, or 4 alpha plus beta. So alpha plus beta we know is -3. This will be -12. Sum of roots. Okay. We try to delete all this. Next we find product of roots. So product will be alpha plus 3 beta multiplied by 3 alpha plus beta. Expand, This is 3 alpha beta, 3 alpha square plus alpha beta plus 9 alpha beta plus 3 beta square. So this will give us 3 alpha square plus 3 beta square plus 10 alpha beta. So 3 alpha square plus beta square plus 10 alpha beta. Okay, so whenever we have alpha square plus beta square, you have to remember this one. So alpha square plus beta square equals to alpha plus beta square minus 2ab. So 3 alpha plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta plus 10 alpha beta. Then now we can substitute. So alpha plus beta is this. Alpha beta will be this. So negative 3 square minus 2, negative 7 over 2 plus 10 times negative 7 over 2. Right, I think it's time to erase all this to make space. Okay, now we put all this in our calculator. 3 negative 3 square minus 2 times negative 7 over 2 close bracket plus 10 negative 7 over 2. We get 13. So our new equation must be something like this. So x square minus negative 12x plus POR, then we expand this. And this will be our final answer. That's it.